Tingha is really the gem of the New England. Such a unique, beautiful place. It's just a great little town. You can pick up a gemstone, a sapphire or whatever here or there. Come and have a look, check us out. I'm the president of the Building the Tingha Community Spirit Group. The idea came from just all of the bushfires, how people felt so low and in despair. Some of the issues that Indigenous people faced is that we didn't feel welcome in some places of assistance, and that just stopped a lot of Indigenous people from asking for help, from going for that help as well. Today was really great. It's great to know that these services are here and that there are people that do care and that are really offered assistance to us. And if we run together as a collective, I believe more things will happen for Tingha as well.
Someone has done different stages that we may go through in a disaster.
I'd like to give thanks to the services that came out today. Being sixth generation from Tingha and coming home, it feels like Tingha's being forgotten because the people of the town are very resilient. I see the treasure and what the potential could be in each person in Tingha. I just get the feeling if I uplift them, then my community will be a better place for me to put my feet up at the end of my life. It wasn't just the fires, it was after that too. There was the drought, and then we had the big floods. And then in that time, there was COVID, so that isolated everybody from reaching out also.
We walk the process of recovery back into prosperity as a community. When disaster hits and that gets fractured, it's quite a challenge to step into that and encourage people to rebuild it. And that's what days like this, today's Regrowth workshop are about, is to encourage people in the community to come together and to give a bit of basic education about what services are out there and how they can access them to rebuild their community.
It's a great day just to sort of have some time out, to be able to interact with each other as well as the service providers. There's a lot of really valuable knowledge here that people can source, and a lot of great resources that they can source. And just to be together.
I'm a group officer for the Northern Tablelands. Tingha is one of my brigades under my banner. As such, I've got 6 brigades underneath me, and I was IC on the ground out here that day that the fire came into Tingha. I think today is great in the healing process. As they talked about in there, it may not happen straight away. There's a lot of emotions going through that are raw straight after the fire. So being able to have an event like this a period of time after, I think is great because it relaxes the people. They sort of can understand their emotions that they've gone through and hopefully be able to come out the other side a lot stronger.